Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install maps and then I will play at the same time, okay? So if you want horror, I will not go to horror. I will go to this. This is a brand new section to mods, okay? The maps. I don't know what's a mods. Okay, I will choose. Not the point, no. Choose no. College parkour, no. Space, no. No, let's choose this one. Another time. Okay. Yeah, another time. Sorry for that. I was just seeing why my Minecraft crashes. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. It's okay. You click download map. Here's all the rules. Here's the pictures. Yeah. Here you could do anything. Okay. Click download map. It's gonna come over here. Okay. Gonna mount it away. Minimize that. Minimize that. Here I'll create a new folder. Maps. Another time. Yeah, finish. Okay. That's that. Minimize that. Put that. This I can install later once. This is my new one. Refresh. I don't know. Okay. Click this. X this. Minimize this. You could here. You could type in slash or run and then click open this, or you could do the Windows key and R and then type in percent app data percent in there, and then it's gonna open your .minecraft. It's that. You want the no, where's maps? Okay, X that. Open this. Minimize this. Go to .minecraft. Go to saves. This is all my map. This is the only map I installed. So here, this is the map you want to drag in. Okay, drag it into there, and then I will read the rules for you. Not this. This one right here. Made you look. Okay. Rules. You agree that you will have to escape alone, single player. You also agree that you will complete this with the latest version. You also agree that if you consider cheating, you will be mocked until you stop cheating, unless you suck. Okay, that hurts. And then you want to click Minecraft. You want to minimize this. It's a recording file. The latest version ever, like the newest version of Minecraft. If it crashes, I don't know why. Okay. So you click play, wait for that to download. Okay, kind of fast because I already downloaded it. This is the map you wanna wait for. Okay. This is the thing you wanna. This is the. This is what you've been waiting for. Yeah, this is the thing you've been waiting for the whole time. Okay. So you wanna wait for that to load. I know it takes a long time because this is a new version of Minecraft. Come on, go faster. Go faster. Go faster. I'll put the link down and I will put the link that I use in the description down below. Yeah. Oh, it's taking so long for this. Just to open. Lex, it stopped. Okay, come on. Go faster. Eh, maybe if I do this. No, 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 no. Yeah, it's going, it's going. It decided to go. More, come on. Finally. Go single player. This is the map I just played. You don't want to play it, okay? Another time. You click play. You could just double click that. This is a new version, okay? You could double click it and then it's gonna open, or you could click it once and then click play. That's gonna also gonna open it up. Okay. It is lag. It's not laggy. Maybe it's laggy for you, but it's laggy for me. Them. Him, them, and her. Oh. It crashed. I can't play it, sorry. So if I join or try to play it, it just crashes instantly. So guys, thank you for what? Wait, what? I'm not gonna say the end, no. Let's see. I think I know how to fix it, this crash. Yeah, I think I know this crash. Yeah, this. Double C, the one. I know this. I can fix this crash. Enter that Minecraft. Options. Yeah, and then you wanna go turn off this. Make it false. File, save, file, save, X, close and play. That's making it crash. So I made it false. No, it's not. It's not that crash. Stop. Stop going. I'm tired. Oh my, no, now it's gonna load. It's going to load this slow. Yeah, super slow. Yeah, super slow. Load. I don't know why the new version of Minecraft makes my Minecraft flash. Yeah. So after this map, I finish it. I will play with my friend Minecraft. Yeah. Me and him only. So yeah. I'm gonna be playing Hypixel, but I have an alt, which I can play. And let's go here. Let's go to video settings. Let's turn off. Where is it? No, it's not in the video settings. It's going to be in chat setting, no music thing. Yeah, it's video settings. Let's view this. Oh, this. Yeah, that's making crash. Round notification. Okay, single player. Another time. Now it's not gonna crash since I turned off that and I turned off that. See? 3, 2, 1. Now it's gonna load. See? I told you it's not gonna crash. Him, her, him, them, and her. Welcome. Hello. You have been chosen for an experiment that will measure your capacity in certain situations. You will have to overcome the challenges and puzzles in order to escape. There are 5 colored rooms: blue, redstone, puzzle, orange, crafting, puzzle, red, trivia puzzle, lime, parkour, gray, memory. Click here to start. Okay, this is the redstone. Guessing. Unbreakable, wheat, gold nuggets, egg. Okay, let's go upstairs. What's up here? More gold nuggets, cobble, gold nuggets, gold nugget, gold nugget, a lapis block, and the gold nugget. So that which I can make, I don't want to waste it. This could be placed on lapis. Where's lapis? Exit. Power me. Here's a bit lazy to. He's a bit lazy to craft a cake. Better leave your stuff behind. Bang. Tucker, you got that for redstone. Don't drop me. And 1 for an iron. Okay. Okay, I have enough. Here, let's make this into yep, a gold. And then that be placed, I think, on and then that could be dropped on green wall. Which open this. Power me. Don't. Okay. Yeah, that explode. Where could I find the iron? I hate carrots. Where can I find the iron? I need a bucket. Wait, mysterious. Carrot. Iron sword? No, okay. Where can I find 3 iron? There it is, maybe? Nope, okay. Up, maybe? Nothing there. Nope. Nope, okay. Where else? Maybe behind him? Nope, okay. Wait, what? Here, don't. Where am I supposed to do? That just destroys that. That says don't. That put there. He needs a cake. Sugar cane. Can you break a pumpkin? No, okay. No. You want diamond. Where can I find a diamond? I don't have a bucket, so I can't make a cake. Let me see. Different options. Where's a cake? Cake. Cake. Bread. To make sugar. Redstone. Three. Bread. A bread. I'm guessing we can. I can't destroy that. Do you have anything? Nothing. Okay. Wait. Better leave your stuff behind. Okay. So I leave this and yeah. Okay. Don't. Just don't then. Can I go? Oh no, it crashed. Yeah, it crashed. Is this done? Yep, it's done. It's done. Um, okay. That is the first video I did on how to that. So guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to beat the map and then redo it, and then if I can do it, I will just search on YouTube and yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more maps for me to download. Okay, bye.